Okay, but what does this mean? This looks so crazy. I don't know what any of these numbers stand for. Okay, so let's actually think about this again. So we're going to have our graph of our parabola. Remember I said it's opening down. It has a y-intercept of 10, so it's probably like over here, something like that. This means, here I'm going to go, what's a good color? Light pink. This -5/6 is the center, is the axis of symmetry, okay? The axis of symmetry, I wish I could find the same color, is here, -5/6, okay? And so that's right in the middle, but we need to get to each of our intercepts. And our intercepts are either plus a certain number or minus a certain number. So we are actually adding the square root of -145/6. Well, what is that? Let's go here. How do I find square root? 145. Square root of that is about, well, it's like 12, but like a little bit more than 12. And I'm going to divide by 6. And I get about 2. I'm actually going to use 2.007. Why not? So what this is about -5/6 plus or minus 2.007. Let's also use decimals for -5/6. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say 5. It's negative and I'm dividing by 6. It's going to be -0.83. Repeating. This is -0.83 repeating, plus or minus 2.007. Okay, so if I take this and I add 2.007, I get 1.174. 1.174. That's one value, approximate value of x. And our other one, well, that's going to be negative because I'm subtracting it. So I'm going to have 0.833333333. I'll make that minus, and I subtract 2.007. I get -2.84. 2. What was it? 84. 84. Yeah. And so that means that our x-intercepts, come on. Yeah. From 0.83 repeating, I add about 2.007, and here I actually subtract 2.007. And so I'm actually, what's a good color? I would be ending up at positive 1.174, and I would be ending up at -2.84. Okay, let's just graph it and make sure that we're doing this right. Yeah, go to Desmos, get rid of our old functions. Uh-oh, what was our function? -3 x squared, nope, squared, was it -5x plus 10? Hey, good job, Miss Noel, with your graph. Okay. Axis of symmetry is -5/6, and our intercepts 1.174, -284. There you go. Okay, so that's what it means. So don't get like tied up with these crazy symbols and stuff with square roots and fractions, but we can always approximate it and think, where is that on the graph? Yeah.